skipper is in now at number 6, and he needs to play a good innings. And Reiner needed a bit of convincing about that single.
Well, they're going to take 2 here, and that's excellent running. Just a well-judged knock into space, and 2 to end the over. It's 187 for 4.
It's chipped back to the square, and it's gone for 4. A much-needed boundary for India. What a good delivery. Dhoni stretched him forward, but he did keep his back foot anchored. Dhoni wants 2 here. And he's turned very well. He knew he wanted to from the get-go there, and he made it 209 for 4. It's gone for a big one, and it's gone for 6, and India need that.
Suresh Raina targeting that leg side boundary and hitting it a long way.
And they run well between the wickets. Dhoni there coming back for 2. 2 is the call. Dhoni will get it. Dhoni wants 2. And another misfield will give him the run quite easily. Ponting hits the stumps, but Dhoni's in, and he goes back for the 2nd. Oh, lovely shot. Much needed boundary this for India. Here's Doherty. And he's bowled him.
He's going to try and target the onside. And he basically just ran past that one. Missed it on the full. And India have lost their 5th wicket with 239 on the board.
Ravindra Jadeja comes out to the middle. Dhoni has to hurry. Oh, direct hit, and he could have been in trouble there. 2 is the call. Jadeja is quick. Gets it easily. He's struck it, and long on will take the catch.
Yeah, he was looking a little squarer. He wanted to hit the gap between Ponting and Warner, but instead Ponting was on the move and took a good catch.
So Ashwin, the man who's come out to the centre, but he'll be at the non-striker's end.
India have a big over now if they're to win this.
He's got that away on the onside. He'll get only 1, as Dhoni will want the strike. Tremendous strike. What a strike that is. It has gone a long, long way into the crowd over the longest part of the boundary. And this has to be one of the biggest 6s you've seen in this one-day tournament. It's gone way back on the hill. And the good thing is Dhoni still on strike. He goes again. He will be caught in the deep. It's a no-ball signal. He'll come back for the 2nd.
Definitely above waist height. Paul Rifle called it immediately. David Warner, I think he was on the case. He knew straight away. He was getting it in.
He'll get 2 here. Maybe even the boundary. It's pulled back by Warner. But India have come back for 3 and have won this match. So terrific match, and the captain brilliant in the end. Just kept his cool, came out with a big shot when it was needed. So India register their first win against Australia in the triangular series, and the second